Let us work on another example to find the critical numbers, relative extrema and increasing and decreasing values. We have a question f of x equal to x cube minus 6 x square plus 15. So, the first step is to take the derivative by applying the basic rules of differentiation. So, the derivative of x cube is 3 x square minus the derivative of 6 x square will be 12 x, whereas the derivative of 15 is 0. So, we did not write it here. Now, second step is to make the equation equal to 0 and solve for x. Now, here you can factorize the equation. Take 3x as a common and now you will get x minus 4 equal to 0. Now, one time write this 3x equal to 0 and one time write x negative 4 equal to 0. Solve for x. So, divide here both sides by 3. So, you will get x equal to 0. In this equation bring the 4 on the other side. So, you will get x equal to 4. So, now you have in this situation two critical numbers. In order to find whether these critical numbers are relative maximum or relative minimum, we have to apply the first derivative test. Make a number line and write it here negative infinity and positive infinity. In between write down the values of x as 0 and 4. First of all write down the smaller number and then write the bigger number. Choose any number between the interval of negative infinity and 0 and put it in the first derivative. Now, let us suppose I chose here negative 1, I will put here 1. So, what I will do in place of x, in place of this x I will choose minus 1. So, I will write here 3 bracket negative 1 square minus 12 bracket negative 1. I get 15, and as I said before that I am not concerned with the number, I am concerned with only a sign. Now, here choose any number between 0 and 4. Let us suppose I choose 1 and this one I will just write again in the equation, means in the first derivative to get positive or negative sign. So, here I get negative 9. So, as I told you I am concerned with the sign. Now, choose any number between the interval of 4 and infinity. I chose 5. I will put it in the first derivative to get the sign. So, I get positive 15. So, I will write here plus. Now, for plus, as you know that in order to read the graph we always start from left to right. So, plus means increasing intervals and for the negative means decreasing interval. Again the positive means the increasing intervals. So, as you know with this shape you will get relative maximum, whereas this shape shows that you at 4 you have relative minimum. So, you can say that relative maximum at x equal to 0, whereas relative minimum at x equal to 4. Now, with the help of the same number line you can say that where is the increasing interval and where is the decreasing interval. So, here from negative infinity till 0 the graph is increasing. So, you will write here negative infinity comma 0. After that from 0 till 4 the graph is decreasing. So, in decreasing interval you will write 0 till 4. Now, from 4 to infinity again the graph is increasing. So, you will write in increasing interval and 4 till infinity. Hence, we can find out how to find the critical numbers, how to apply the first derivative test. Now, how to factor properly If you don't understand how we have factored here, just see my another video where I have explained you how to factorize the binomial or the binomial equations.